Hey everyone, today I'll be explaining you how we can create text summary or text summarization using Python code. Basic Python, that is what we'll use, and we'll use analytical library for it. Okay, let's deep dive. I'm Shivam. Let me explain you how we can do that. So firstly, before we move ahead, I want to explain you why there is a need of text summarization. Now we have a very big data and there are many books and we want to know like what that conclude, right? What's its summary? So instead of like we have a time constraint of 24 hours, right? So how we can summarize and understand what's there in the book, right? Or what's there in a big text. So that's why the text summarization is very important as we move forward towards AI era, right? So okay, firstly, what we'll do, we'll import NLTK, and from NLTK.corpus, we'll import stop words. Stop words are those words that are uh, not directly being useful, right? Like is, they, it is. There are many words that are not like useful to the sentence, like is, the, that we use it in a sentence many times, right? Those are the stop words. Second, we have word tokenizer. So what it do, like if you have a very big data like this, so it will create tokens of it. So artificial will be one word, intelligence will be another word. Like that, we'll have word tokenizer. Another, we have sentence tokenizer. So it converts this whole text into sentences, right? And make it a list of it. After that, what I'm doing is importing and downloading this software and get fine. Okay, this is the tags that I generated using OpenAI, right? And this tags tells in definitions and details about what is AI, right? After that, what I'm doing, as I told you, what is stop word? Stop words are those words like here, is, the, etc are like stop words. So what I'm doing after this is taking the list of all these stop words. Once it's done, then I convert all this capital letter to the small letters so that uh, like if I write AI in a small letter and AI in a small letter, then those will be seen in this in our code. You know, that's why I just converted into lower letter. After that, the whole text I'm converting into the words. Now, over here, what we are doing is creating a frequency table. So each word will have the frequency count in the full text. So in full text, how many times AI came, right? So we'll have the frequency of those words here. After that, what I'm doing, I'm marking the sentence tokenizer. So what we are doing first is creating the sentence token, right? On this each token, we are checking the word. Okay, how in the sentence, this how many times this word came, right? And if it comes, then we'll increase it by the frequency of the word. So indirectly, what I'm telling you over here is, let's assume we have AI, right? And its frequency in a word frequency is 10. Okay. So if AI is the new era, right? Then it will do, it will mark that sentence with a frequency that's 10 because we are checking AI. So what we are doing, AI is in sentence. If it's there, then we are taking the frequency of the AI and adding it here. So that's what we are doing. After that, now we have this ranking of each sentence because now each word have the frequencies and the ranking in each of them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So over here, you see we have now the rankings. So this sentence is ranked as 98 times. 98. This is 75. This is 106. So now we have the ranking. So what we need to do is we want to remove those sentences that have very less ranking. So what I'm doing is a simple math, calculating the average of all this ranking, and then I'm taking the 120% of the average as my threshold to mark as a sentence for the summary. So any of the sentence that have the ranking greater than 97, I will take them into my summary. So that's what I did here. And now we have a very good summary, right? And we don't need to read the whole sentence, all the whole text, right? So that's why, and that's a very simple way how we can create a text summary using Python based on the ranking and frequency count. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next video where I'll be explaining you more about how we can use this Sume library, and there we can use the text ranking and lax LSA. Okay, cool. I will in the discussion or in the description, I will add all the details like where this notebook is on a GitHub, and you can follow me on LinkedIn or GitHub. Thank you.